We're at Computex 2023 and we are with FSP, and I want to talk to you firstly about their new case. As you can see, we've actually given it the Best of Computex 2023 award. That's how good we actually think it is. Now, this case does come in black and white. They are going to have two versions, a standard and a premium one. With a premium, you do get glass on the side, so on both sides, as well as the direct cables that can plug straight into an FSP power supply, as well as having all the combs and everything on there. So yeah, it just looks really, really nice, especially with that glass on the side. You get kind of the full view of the cables. Now, in the case, you do get 3 pre-installed RGB fans in the front. You also get another one in the rear, but it doesn't really stop there. FSP have gone quite crazy when it comes to airflow, performance, and what's actually sort of available.